Hello everyone, Brian here. In the last episode, we learned how to make the sprite, that is the cat, say hello. In this episode, we're going to be diving deeper into sprites. We'll be learning how to edit sprites, how to add other sprites, and even how to create your own sprites and delete sprites. Let's get scratching. Okay, we're back on our workspace. So first, I'm going to be teaching you how to delete a sprite. So you come to the lower right hand corner of your workspace. This here is our sprite. Can you see? So this trash icon, you click on it and it will pop this out. Are you sure you want to delete this sprite? And you click yes, because we want to delete the sprite. That is how you delete a sprite. So now, let's learn how to add a sprite. You go back to the lower right hand corner of the workspace and then click this cat icon. When you click it, it will raise up a few options. First, we have choose a sprite, we have paint, we have surprise, and we have upload a sprite. So let's choose a sprite from scratch. When you click that, it shows a place where you can pick billions and billions of sprites. So let's come over here. Let's see. Let's pick an animal. That is how you add a sprite. Can you see the bear? Now next, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit a sprite. So come over here where we have these tabs. Cool. We have the code tab, we have the costumes tab, and we have the sounds tab. But we want to change how our sprite looks, so we have to come to the costumes tab. When you click on the costumes tab, it opens this edit workspace where you can change the color of this color. You can change how one sprite looks like let's move this bear's leg here. Well, let's change that. There. Then we can change the color of our bear. See? Do that, do that. That is how you edit a sprite. If you want to revert to how your sprite was, or you made a mistake, you come over here to this arrow that is pointing towards the left. It is called an undo button. So you click it and it undoes what you did. Can you see our bear is turning brown again? So let's keep on doing. Voila! We have our brown bear back. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own sprites. So you come back here. Remember, click on this, and then you see this paintbrush, you click on it, and then gives us a blank editing workspace so that we can make a sprite. Let's make a sprite. So let's click on this circle. So you can click on the screen and then drag, and then can you see we have a circle. Wow. Let's make more circles. So you can make one here as the arm. Then we have legs. Then we have a head. There we go. Now that is how you make a character. See our character with big belly. So let's go back to our code. And now I'm going to be teaching you how to change costumes, how to do basic animation with Scratch. So we come to this event. Remember, when green flag is clicked, that's when this flag is clicked. Come over to looks, go to next costume. So when we click the flag, can you see it's going to its other costumes? But we can't just keep clicking the flag and then it has to go like that and like that, and it's staying in one place. So let's fix that. So we don't move 10 steps. Now this moves your sprite towards the right. So when you click it, can you see our sprite is moving? So let's do this, and then when you click it, now it's as if our sprite is actually moving. So you come back to our code palette, we go to control, our orange blocks, then this repeat block. Now this repeat block is for, as it's written there, repeating so number of times. So let's bring our bear back, and then let's say we want it to move 10 times. So we can bring it here and click. Can you see it move 10 times? So let's put our next costume there. And then bring this repeat block back to when green flag clicks. So now, look, it's working. Now this little white place here, where we have 10, we can edit that. We can say we want it to repeat, let's see, 100 times. Can you see? It's as if it's running away. Congratulations, you just made your first animation. In our next tutorial, we'll be learning about backdrops, how to add a backdrop, how to make your own backdrop, and how to add background music. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!